Good morning, Facebook. Very good early morning here today. It's Cathy Steinmetz coming to you from beautiful Sioux Falls, South Dakota. I didn't know if I was going to be able to do this outside because it was horribly windy before, but right now it's just got a gentle breeze and it's beautiful. The sun's not even up, but that's okay. We are. Anyway, I just wanted to come to you this morning and talk a little bit about engagement on Facebook. I know that this is a question that is out there and it's important. We need to have engagement on our posts if we want to have leads and sales. And I know this is something that people are wondering about because I'm getting questions, private message to me every single day about how did I increase my engagement. Starting in the middle of August, I joined a training program that is teaching me what I need to do. And if you look back at my posts then, prior to this, a good one was probably 20 reactions to it. And now I am pushing 500 on my posts. And so it's all due to what I'm being taught in the training program. And I know that there are other questions out there about the training program. People are thinking that you can't keep doing what you're doing and also do this training program, but that's not true. Please don't judge this without taking a look. It works hand in hand with whatever you wish to promote. That's the thing I like about it, is I'm learning the skills to be able to take this in the future. And if there's something else that I want to promote or that I want to do, I can take these skills and what I'm building now and use it for that purpose. So please don't misjudge and don't miss out on a fantastic opportunity because you weren't taking a serious look at it. We do have a webinar tonight. It's Wednesday. We have one every week. It's a no pressure. Good morning, Blondette. It's good to see you. Thanks for coming. One thing I forgot to say. If you're catching this live, put hashtag live in there. And if you're catching this on the replay, be sure you put hashtag replay in the comments and where you're from so that I can get an idea of where we're reaching. But anyway, back to what I was saying. I don't want you to misjudge and miss out on what could be really good for your business. I congratulate anyone who is trying to make their business work here on Facebook. And I know that we all need good tools. And this training is an exceptional tool. So that's exactly what it is. So please, if you would like to take a look at what we do, I can invite you to the webinar tonight. All you need to do is just either send me a message or drop me a comment below. This is a no pressure, no obligation webinar. Just please come and see what we are all so excited about and what is going on and how I am getting the kind of engagement that I am starting to get. I know I have a ways to go, but the improvement has been vast. And I just welcome you. And I thank everybody for watching this morning. And you guys go out there and make this the absolute best Wednesday that you have ever had. Thanks for watching and have a great day.